So me evidence here see.
Sana Obeka.
Yes, so me need evidence here.
Any enkofa kura pomba because oyo hina was sumu ayimfie.
No,
that's a woman in hine din ya nyina ya sumu no na na ni be ni tini ati ba bie. Na wakasa somewhere ya.
Ah, so
etu pa na kasa boduboa.
Because there's no evidence.
When I say there's no evidence,
bring any evidence.
Ask him. And I may say, maybe I will cast a man for women. I come back for a
Benyaba.
Okay, and then no, now, Debio, Nakasa, one more dear, and I say, yeah, we see.
Oh, boarding.
Jantuah, I think yeah, my own next week, and then no go fast out.
I am just
saying.
Me see, asem na wo boy no. One thing say free obi ho.
Usu benya audio naba.
Who now you interested?
Oh, evidence.
Me makasa me interested.
There is no evidence there. Let's cut it because I don't know.
Who now you interested? Go and fetch. Who now you journalist? Nana kasa go and
put it. Played what the evidence I may walk.
And I say.
And I will dispute. And I say so bring.
Me so makasa asem no wakan ni say ansa no oba ha.
What can he say?
O say according to the original minister say over his dead body.
No say nya no kure.
Oh.
Is it any evidence?
Me say or say over his dead body no bebe council not even
Nana argument here say they empon argument based here
not even no two
evidence Nana
and the beti maka bi man be na ofin say we gina ho ne ya beto me so aba na council of state election no I appointment ana.
It is my responsibility as a journalist and on multimedia platform. Yeah, one of our ethical standards ne say
we can't say
anything without any proof.
Yeah.
Obu kwaso. I'm thinking regional minister akonya na otisunti no oye panyi oye the president of the region na nan kansa buodu o she regional minister ase so what you say politically okase na yinyina beda Franco Mwako ono ne wo say 2 million na as nanana obi wa no ka kire a president regional minister say oya akra wonkosua kasa. You think it's a fair comment to insult a regional minister who's a president? Say akra no onkosua na nye ni tipena. If you make those kind of comments at the time opese to abama na okotu na banfo, you think it's a fair comment?
Dana, I'm not saying say and as admitting say they are okay me una okay.
Oh, member man.
Me say
and I'm saying member man.
And I'm saying me say
okay.
But be a fadia ye Kenya. I'm not admitting say wa campu.
Okay.
What you say? But me pacho. They may say and I said Nana Jantuah who me criticize the president of the republic.
No, but criticizing the president.
Oh, I say make county. Only unsema waka.
And I'm saying
even me boy original there's another ne can say ne predecessor. Or free to you. Me boarding you had issues.
What issues?
Who criticizing now can say when you want money can say I have crap
now me found me.
Well so
now okay so
no, if you are seeking justice,
I am a journalist.
Oh, you are
I have the right.
Equity.
I am not going for any council. I am a journalist.
Hey,
it is my mandate. No, it is my mandate to critique.
I don't
have a problem.
You are even more than
what is the work? What is the work of the four frame?
That is your work.
Yes. So why?
What is the work of the four frame of our?
And I say,
have I not criticized John Mahama Hadley on this platform?
Miss, ultimate criticize it. So anybody can be criticized.
I am saying, sir, the moment
traditional is far different from the
moment maybe I'll pay Council of State. Uti, me pay Council of State. But if you make a certain comment, and that comment, and I want to play it for you, me say wa uti.
Of state na over on dead body say Obama Mako.
Epacho regional minister no say over his dead body now wo Obeko council say na Santamera according to me man and cancer no.
Papa me want as for the captain no.
Hey.
Bana
So you see, if a comment like this, and then and if you make this kind of comment, insulting a regional minister as a chief, insulting the president of this of the land, now what do you expect in terms of response?
Nana, or you ohini osum otumfo,
but ohini ni she.
Oh, until the American say, osum otumfo.
Regional minister, it's not true, so can be bisa.
I don't know defending no.
Because there's no evidence to say. I have played an evidence of this.
I didn't nipa bakuda walk and say, what can I say? Walk away.
So
and they will pick it.
I'm daring you play, baby. Regional minister can't say.
I didn't nipa na waka say the same sentence now. What pick it there out there now?
Me, what am I supposed to talk about?
Nana. Wakase, not even Otufo.
Or can we?
I don't know, Mr. Nana.
None don't produce evidence.
It is only evidence. They don't even talk about the whole statement.
Evidence.
Don't even talk about the whole statement.
No, because he says what it is on one
evidence. But I said, where I work, and yes, someone was or him, what no. He
has not said anything.
He said it. He said it.
Prove it.
Nana kai. Nana kai. Uso kase na nabwa.
Because we need evidence.
Uso kase na nabwa.
Yes,
Utu metu kase na nabwa. In what capacity? In what capacity?
In my capacity as a journalist, my fact checking. Obianka be this.
Etienne na nana kase bua dudi. Ontimi kase regional minister. Ekwala asem no wodi no.
Really?
Now what you because
on casa, prove it.
Oh, Nana, it's wrong.
No,
you are not making the argument.
No, because, no, I will not.
No. I
have played mine.
I'm not here for that.
No, because when you said it, I said, say.
Nana,
let's analyze this. First of all, you made a statement. And I busa a question. Question na busa and I say onti ye. And I say meti me abama.
Yes, and the same abona wo boy no. Ewa. Na me meti ho. Meti edu patches nana. Wo ko baby no obi kasa nsem enfata fa nhira ho a you be quiet.
Say menti me anya evidence ye hear say. Say me evidence ye hear say.
Sana obeka.
Yes, say me ni evidence ye hear say.
Any enkofa kura pomba because oyo hina wo sumu ayimfie.
No, what
na say wo pa ni hine din ya nyina ya sumu no na na ni ba ni tini ya ti ba bie. Na wa kasa somewhere ya.
So
edu pa na kasa bodubo.
Because there's no evidence.
When they say there's no evidence,
bring any evidence.
Ask him. And I may say, maybe I will cast a man for him. I come back for you.
Benyaba. Okay, and then no.
Now, Debio, Nakasa, one model, and I say, yeah, we see.
Oh, body.
Jantuah, I think my own next week, and then no fast out.
I am just
saying. Me see, audio no. Asem na wo boy no. One teacher free obi ho.
Usu benya audio naba.
Una we are interested.
Oh, evidence.
Interested.
There is no evidence there. Let's cut it because I don't know.
We are interested. Go and fetch. We are journalists. Nana Kasa, go and
put it. I played what's the evidence I may walk.
And I may say,
and I will dispute you. So bring.
Me to Makasa. I said no. What can you say? I said no.
What can you say?
I say. According to the regional minister say over his dead body.
No, I see Nyano.
Oh,
is it on any evidence?
Me say, I say over his dead body. No, bebe council. Not even.
Nana argument. He ain't say the impon. Argument based.
Not even no two
evidence. Nana
and the beti makabi manabe. Na officer bi jina ho. Ni abeto me swaba. Now council of state election. No, a appointment.
It is my responsibility as a journalist and on multimedia platform. Yeah, one of our ethical standards, they say, you can't say anything without any proof.
Yeah.
And that is why anything that I said, me play voice. No? So I am saying that, so what say, prove, say, regional minister can't.
Also, there is no evidence.
If you don't have it, now you're interested, go and search for it.
Then why do you have to dispute?
When I would say, when I would dispute, you say, oh, boy, yes, I know,
because there's no evidence.
And I'm saying na ukas wo but according to Nana no same way there
let's move on.
Moving on, we have to all condemn
because it's dangerous to pitch a regional minister against Otumfuo when Otumfuo say that's the danger, and we need to guide
Nana
for now we don't have any evidence.
Do bet me in your capacity. I can say Nana can't say no. Nana need implication. Nana will name the implication of what he said. And I'm saying, Nana need the implication of what he said.
To prove any evidence or Kasa.
Oh, Nana say, Nana who quite say who criticize will be there. Allow people to also say what they want to say.
I don't have a problem. I'm just saying, say
the fact that we are journalists doesn't give you way so you can say
for
anything.
Example, let me fact check you.
But Obidio Kwakandia say, hey, we are Nana. Hey, we are say. I don't think you are being fair.
Okay, fine. Paul, let me fact check you again.
Yes.
When you said they say this are buying in terms of medano, ABI increasing. Let's go back to Wankasa. I want you to read the report. There are things that and you maybe will let it slide. But the moment you say a facts, I would want to give you certain facts.
And the second can say Bebresi. At the other now we are national service and one cover 2013 scandal by an American.
You can bring it.
Okay.
Why can
you see?
Why kind day?
Me buy them be discussing.
You know what's amount can I me fact check you?
And I may say I only made mention of Adia SCA. And I just because
the moment you say something here, we'll fact check you.
Clearly, you are demonstrating as a own person, but it's more same as I did. That is what you are saying. So the fact that we probably can't say when you are, I don't think you are being fair. I don't think you are being fair. You are not being fair to the MPP this morning and myself, to the regional minister and everybody.
I don't have a problem.
Now you have to be fair. We will force you to be fair.
Force me.
I think I'm in the catcher say, and a chief way. And now no pay adia minia Nana Jantuah ni UG research aya one more case one national service. You should be fair. Say 2013 7.6 million Ghana cedi scandal, the same allowance payment AC year don't matter time.
Is it good?
And get good. It's now
and we have to make comparison of
that is why
in the survival of Ghanaians. So let's condemn it outright.
And you're good.
What you see, when you bring figure, also say scandal no. No, you said it. Why do you have to let? Who know what? What's the name?
7.6 million. Yes.
This one is 2.2 billion Ghana. So
and who kasa and cut to say and until now buy sesane dear now what if you know MPP you I will not sit here for you to destroy my party.
Can one
Nana but you're good.
Say
what me so party mu now can buy and say buy is totally different from party if you don't know.
But the party for me buying.
And I may say buying a different from we.
But party,
we've lost the election because of some actions of buying. No. What you say? Party come. No. What you say? No. No. What you say? No. And yes, I net here.
Sana uhuno.
Yes, sana minim. Sana was here, no. It's Nana say, oh, per se, a council of state elections in a course to one. They see ye and we should condemn it. Because journalists be crowd call a repanina. Yabuno, papa. Angela Femini, Yabuno. Lawson Media, Yabuno. Then you say, same way, or no, Nana Coca or Honintino, just a Nana Chantro, and I said Nana Ebwa, Ewo de Wakamo. Because also Wakasa tia regional minister. Nanya the same regional minister ya no ahwɛ me abo repani. U colleague ni. Eti yakɔ baby say yakɔ pick information and yakɔ news about must we be beaten.
So you see you make a statement.
Eti waje ade we are all condemning.
So evidence regional minister na maye bones and troni no.
Many evidence. So but he oversees the security of everybody. Anna I don't know so we are the president of the republic.
Allow him. I don't want you to allow him.
Enti Kojo asema
awuke. Kojo say ne wafa time na me ampo.
Enti asema awuke. Who evidence say Mr. Mami come say who evidence say MPP for and the call national service. E call yes scandal no. MPP for the national scandal, a national service scandal now. You are calling everybody, or to about my MPP say, what to MPP, what to MPP for the court, yes, please, if you are arguing, and I can we should distinguish between where I can and where I can. Otherwise, no, you better radio so I say obia. But you say, so be a corrupt, obi a re, obi a sayer, court. And I was say pronouncing the panasa. Ni ahwe ama emra nya adwuma ya ahwe ama ehihye ya nyina ya expect say be koyie no etima koyie ama ya. I don't think we are going to be fair to people who serve as individuals. Ya ahwe ye be kakra no ofre obi so onkoye public service adwuma, he would decline. There are people who had built their reputations, hard-earned reputations. Oma ye adwuma bobra ahihye wo mo bra. Near more Beatra radio, so Obiatra baby, and now no pay a wook. I said, ya what can you not say? MPP, fool MPP yet. It's your advice sign a yam walk on who's a Sicasa say, a coso. Meanwhile, the same way no, every course of 2013. It's a idea in the compass. I didn't have your way, say Timothy. Going forward, you know, yes, Shania Massa and your way from. If you have who say allowance delay, then it should ring a bell or it should sound it should sound red alert to everybody. Say, delay no, ubehemoni akotwa wa ha. Anasa obi akwatena so and obi yese etina saade no eba. Nana, I think say that is how I was here nyina hwe say eniema be ye adwuma wo man mu. Rather than say ye ni ene we bia no based on Eugene research awaye ene wo a wotie na ye de ate akasa tia party fo a omu ATM party fo a omu nim na officer osesi be oni adofo. O ti ase osesi be oni adofo. Na no pay kutie Nhyira FM sika without any iota of court we are ya de nipa na court to na say bibisa timi de make count e wo ho ano no
for